What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. If not, it's all good as long as you tune into this video and you took something out of it. So I've been hearing a lot of things about these margin calls, and a lot of confusion has been going on as to why these margin calls are getting talked about so significantly the past day or two when the market correction was happening. So you have the NASDAQ, you have the Dow Jones, you have the S&P, and all of these were dipping the other day. The other day is trading day, and it took a fat dip, and people were talking margin call, margin call, margin call. And margin call can be for, it's not in for a particular stock. So AMC, GameStop, of course, we're looking for margin call. Sure, that's great. But whoever does get margin called on those stocks, they're not just getting margin called on those stocks. They're getting margin called on their portfolio in general, like forced liquidation, things like that. So say you owned Apple, Microsoft, and Google, and just for an example, they were all in S&P 500. S&P 500 takes a fat dip. All those stocks plummet a little bit in your portfolio, and your position size goes down a lot. And now your risk is a lot lower because of different stocks. So your risk is a lot lower because of the liquidity that is in your account is actually dipping. So essentially, pretty much when the market corrects or drops a significant amount, these big hedge funds that shorted GameStop and AMC, like Citadel and Melvin Capital, they own the big, we'll say the big firms, and they do. I know Citadel owns Google, Microsoft, Amazon, things like that, all the big tech industries and things like that. So when the market corrects and their liquidity drops in those, their risk management is a lot lower. So that's why these margin calls can occur, and when they do get margin called, it is on everything. It's not just AMC and GameStop. But that is why when we see these market corrections, it's actually good for AMC and GameStop in the long run. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I love you all. Please consider hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button to join the family. Lottery Stocks out.
How we gon' get to this bag when we focus on gunplay, but trapping is all that we got. All of us gon' make it one day like church.